this is Sean from Reverend Garage. Welcome to another video where today we're going to be talking about reseating your tire on the bead. Sometimes when your bike's been sitting for a while, the tire can go flat. When that does and you pump it up, sometimes that tire is not centered evenly all around the rim. And when that happens, you get a hump in your tire, which can cause a bump. The faster you go, the crazier it gets. This bike, you get up around 35, 40 miles an hour and it feels like it's going to pitch you off the bike. It just gets crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that. And all you need is 4 simple things. You need a jack or some kind of a stand to get your back tire off the ground. You're going to need an air compressor, and you're going to need something to check your tire pressure when you're done. And the final thing, most important, is the ratchet strap we need. Let's get this ratchet strap situated to do this. You know, I really despise ratchet straps. Okay, I think we're good there. So we're going to deflate the tire a little bit, and the reason is because we need to air it up again once we've got this ratchet strap on there. And the reason being is we need to create enough pressure so that when we release this ratchet strap, the tire just pops into place. And the reason we have it off the ground is to get it to be able to expand in all directions evenly. If it was sitting on the ground, it would be hard to get it to sit correctly because you've got it on the ground and it can't expand downward evenly. You're probably going to have a hump somewhere in the back, front, or top of the tire. So let's take our ratchet strap, and what we need to do is feed one end of it up underneath this fender. The one thing about Gen 4 and 5s is they have a fender, and it makes it a little difficult to get this in there, but totally doable. So now we got it pretty centered. So I'm going to come around this side so I can use my dominant hand. Okay, we got that locked down pretty good. Now what we're going to do is put a bunch of air in it. Doesn't have to be a specific amount, but you want enough to where it starts to swell around your strap. So let's do this. Okay, it is swelling around the cap. Now what we're going to do, we're going to release this ratchet strap, and you're going to hear a pop. And that pop is the tire expanding and seating on the bead. Boom, there we go. Now let's just get this ratchet strap off here. Again, I despise ratchet straps, but that's what works for this technique. So now what we need to do is we need to check the tire pressure to see where we're at. The operating tire pressure on these is 22 psi. So let's just make sure that we're at 22 psi. 20.5, so just a little bit more. 23, 22. All right. And if you don't have one of these, you can order one off of Amazon. It's a Husky digital tire gauge, and it works killer. It supports PSI, it supports BAR, as well as KPA. We've got this at 22. We're going to cap that back up. That's going to wrap up another video for Reverend Garage. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, subscribe, give us a like, and tell your friends. Until next time, Reverend Garage out.